Hey guys, I'm Shayna and this is Farmhouse to Home. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're joining me again. So guess what? I'm really dirty and it's raining outside, but I'm growing. Look how big you are. Okay, so today I just wanted to record y'all some footage because all of my footage from the last 2 weeks of filming just here and there is gone. My SD card snapped in half, so there's that. We did some deciding on paint colors, so we chose exterior paint color, we also chose trim color, and we chose our front door color. So this video, we will take you through a tour first of all the parts of the house that you haven't seen. Then I will go over our stone. And I'm also going to take you through our paint journey where I have a model of our house and we're going to kind of look at different options and pick our front door color. Okay, well, we're going to get started and I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe if you want to see more, and click the bell if you want to be notified when I upload a new video. So quickly about uploading new videos. I'm going to start uploading monthly. Alright, well, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, if you like it, hit the thumbs up so I can know that you liked it. And let's go ahead and check out some of the parts of the house that y'all haven't seen. Okay, so now I'm going to take you down the stairwell, and this will be to the walkout basement. Here we go. Hey Swat, what are you doing? Oh, we're going back down. I'm so sorry, bud. Let's go. This is the garage. For those of y'all that don't know, Patrick's mom, Maria, is going to live on this level, and then we're going to live on the main level. This is a walkout, so she's still able to have lots of windows, as you can see, lots of light, and also be able to walk straight out onto the ground and not have to go downstairs. This is our pond, and it's getting rained in right now. So this will be the living room that we're standing in. Kind of give y'all a better view. So the living room, TV area, and this over here is our exercise room. So it'll have, you know, treadmill and all the obviously exercise stuff in it. Is this gonna be your room? Or are you being cute? So dirty right now. We're so dirty and it's raining, so mom's not washing me. So mom's not gonna wash me until it stops raining. Because out here, what's the point, right? Here is the living room area, like I was saying, and this will be the kitchen. So over here against the wall, kitchen, and there'll be an island right here. All that good stuff. Now we are walking through the hallway. And I'm walking into the wall. So now we're walking through the hallway, and this will be our bedroom. Also bathroom and closet here. On the other side of that wall, there is unfinished storage, which I'm sure will store all of our Christmas and Easter and 4th of July and Thanksgiving, all the other holidays and seasons. Okay, let's go ahead and go on the outside. Even though it's raining, maybe it won't be raining too bad. This will be her her driveway into this garage. You like the rain? Yeah, he loves the water. Like, he absolutely loves it. We caught him in the horse water trough the other day. So we're walking up the hill now. And this will be the pasture. You can see it over here. And you can see the horses. And the front of the house, which, yeah, it is raining, but there we go. We're actually staying over here. So it's been the best and worst decision getting the fifth wheel, because it was great not to have to sell a house, but at the same time, it's so small, and to have a 6'1" husband and you know, a baby, a toddler, and a dog, 2 dogs, and me, it's a little challenging moving around in there, but it's nice to be able to live on the property. It's great, and I'm super thankful for it. Okay, so here's the stone. This is very natural, like I was talking about. You can see it has like gray. It also has some browns. See this brown, that brown, and even like a dark gray, like a black color, and has some moss on parts of it. So very natural. Came out of our mountain, so it's cool to be able to use that. I just showed you the stone, so now we're gonna go and check out some exterior colors and look at the trim color we have picked out and 3 options for the front door. If you'd like to hang out more, go ahead and hit subscribe. Okay, let's start painting. So the first one we're gonna do is a Swiss coffee. Oh, just kidding, this is Spanish sand. So this is the actual exterior color. This is what it looks like. And it looks like I got attacked and abused, but really it's just from the puppy. Okay, so let's pour some out and get a little paint going on. I kind of like it. What do you think? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Just kidding, honey. I'm talking to you.
Oh, looks great.
Get out of my face, man. It looks so good. So I actually saw this color on another girl's Instagram. She had the poppy seed as her front door color. That's fun. I really like it. I like it a lot more than I thought it was going to. Ooh. I like all of them. I like them all. It's so hard.
Did you talk about the reds and how we're trying to go Farmhouse, but the reds. Did you talk about that?
Yeah, I just said that it's kind of a warm color and it just kind of blended in. It didn't really stand out like we wanted the blues to stand out. They just kind of, they look a little bit more of a pop, you know? Okay, so check it out. Okay guys, so we have all three colors on the board. We have the exterior color and the trim color with a roof on top and our stones at the bottom. And the lucky winner is, we actually haven't decided yet. So we did go with maybe one of these two colors, which going into this was my choice. So the bubble turquoise was my choice. And now we're thinking more poppy seed and tempest. So leave a comment below, let me know what you think, and I will reveal our choice in the next video. All right, thank you so much for joining me today. This is Farmhouse at Home with Shayna, and we'll see you next time.